How to change customer password in Freshdesk. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change customer password in Freshdesk. So as you can see on my screen, I am already in my Freshdesk admin portal. So what you do first is to log in into your Freshdesk account. Once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen here, you'll see a menu displaying several options. Navigate through to the admin portal option and then click on it. Once you click on it, this page would open up. Now, once this page has been opened, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen again on the admin's page and then click on workflows. After clicking on workflows, you'll be brought to the workflows page. On this page, you'll see several options as well, such as ticket fields, ticket forms, automations, email notifications. Just click on email notifications and then you'll be taken to the email notifications page straight away. So on this page, the next step or the next thing to do is to um move to the requester notification option. All right, you can see that there are four tabs here, such as agent notifications, requester notifications, CCC notifications, template. Select the requester notifications tab, and then on the requester notifications tab, the next step is to disable the user activation email. So this is the user activation email here. Ensure it is disabled. If yours is enabled, ensure it's disabled. Mine is disabled already, but if yours is enabled, that's if it's green and ticked like this, ensure it's green and disabled. So once you have it disabled, the next step is to go to the customers tab and click on the contact name. So you can do this by moving to the left side of the screen where you can see contact, click on contact, and then you'll be taken to your contact page. So select the contact name, the person that you would like, the person whose password you like to change. After selecting the contact name, you'll be taken to the page where you see details about the contact. Okay, so now on this page, click on change password, and then you'll be redirected to another page. On that page, set the new password that the customer can use for future logins, just like that. But you must note that customers can also change their passwords themselves by using the forgot password option on the customer portal login page, and they will not receive any automatic notification about the password change. So ensure you always inform them whenever you do this. Okay, so this is how to get about it. This is how you can change customers password on Freshdesk. But like I said, ensure that you disabled the let's go back there, the user activation mail. Ensure it's disabled before you go ahead and change the password. Thanks for watching and have a good day.